Most real estate investors think that you can get cheap, high quality leads using Facebook ads. But here's the truth, it is not a platform that's broken, it's actually your ads. And in the last 30 days, our ads have brought in over $200,000 in closed deals. And in this video, I'm about to show you the exact ad formula that we use in order to make it happen. And before you roll your eyes thinking that this is some secret hack, I'll be very clear. Our ads work because they're simple, they're scalable, and we do it all based on seller psychology without the BS. So, if you're tired of wasting money relying on pay per lead companies or agencies, grab a notepad because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make ads that bring in consistent, high quality seller leads without relying on an agency to manage them for you. Now, let's get started with the ads that are making us a lot of money. So as you can see, this is the last 30 days, and I have two campaigns running that are doing really well. So in one campaign, in the last 30 days, we got 55 leads at $25 cost per lead. And another one got us 92 leads at $38 cost per lead. Out of these, we'll contract one in 25 leads, more or less. And I want to go over the main reason why people blame Facebook. So most people say things like, hey, Facebook doesn't work anymore. I've tried agencies, pay-per-lead companies, and it's just not working. But the reality is that the ad style is the problem, not the platform. Because if you only run like generic, not pain-based ads, that's when you get a lot of tire kickers, right? And a lot of agencies just run like cookie cutter, boring ads that sellers scroll past, or maybe they'll submit their information because what they're putting on the ad is something very broad, like, hey, get your free assessment. Things like that doesn't work because what we want is people that actually want to sell. So our method is very simple, where we do it trust based and conversation driven. So what we don't want is our ads to feel like an ad or a commercial. So the reason why most of these ads fail is because they, like, if they're running like video ads, you're probably seeing like big competitors from the same ads, but a lot of the times they feel salesy instead of helpful. And if you just run the generic corporate ad, you're never going to get good results. But also, if you don't have like a good hook, it's not going to stop the scroll. So what we want is our ads to be engaging, but also to be informative for people to want to work with us, right? So they usually have no story, no personality, and no trust. And then usually when they're agency built and not owner built, they're missing the founder's voice. Where what I preach is, okay, if you want to be on the ads, it's better if you as a founder do it, because you're going to look better. If it quacks like a duck and it walks like a duck, and if it talks like a duck, it's probably a duck, meaning that people in your area want to see people that look like them. So your ads have to be of houses that look similar to you, and then you also have to look apart, right? So if you're in Florida and you wear shorts and stuff, it's not going to be the same as if you're like in the Midwest. So that's super important. Now, what is my winning ad framework? We do it based on two things, right? You can have a broad approach, and you can have a pain based approach. Now, the goal with the broad approach is that you make selling the house easy and easier than the traditional sell, right? You're going to get a lot of sellers that want to work with you. And of course, your sales process, that's when it comes in line, right? So a good example is like, hey, I want to sell your house without the repairs, showings, or waiting months. That's a good hook, right? Something that's more pain based, it'll be to speak directly to the seller's distress. Maybe the property is vacant. Maybe it's going to foreclosure. Maybe it's a divorce situation, or they're relocating, or the house needs a lot of repairs. You need to expand on those pain points in order to get the people that you want to work with. So what I tell my clients is, okay, look at your last 2 or 3 months. What are the type of sellers that you're getting, and what's the main motivation as to why they're selling, and what's the reason why they choose you? So what you got to do is take all that into consideration in order when you're making your ads. And if you basically stay until the end of the video, I'll go over our winning ads and how we do them. So a good example of a hook, like let's say it was for foreclosure, is like, okay, are you behind on payments? We can help you sell in days, not in months. Now, we also do a mix of formats, where the goal is to do static image ads and broad short videos for highest lead volume, right? For example, you can have a good hook where you use videos for building that trust and connection, and images for quick attention. So people say that you can get good leads with image ads. Well, we do a lot of those, and basically they all work. But you got to use a mix between the two. Now, the reason why I'm a fan of the owner being on the videos is because no one will care as much as your business more than you, right? So if you think about it, sales, wholesaling is sales and marketing, but why we don't outsource sales? So why should we outsource our marketing, right? So sellers want to work with a person, not a faceless company. And you being in your ads builds out the trust before the first call. So if they like you, they see they like what you're gonna say. I mean, it's more probable that they want to work with you. And then it positions you as the local expert. And then also the engagement can skyrocket because it feels more authentic rather than a traditional ad. So if you are a wholesaler in your local market, I recommend you being the one on the videos. And if you don't want to do that, stick around because I'll give you a plan B. Now, what is my structure? So whenever you make these ads, you want to make them as if you're talking to a friend, and you have to avoid that corporate or you just want to speak casual and be relatable because you don't want to sound like those big companies, right? Number two is you want to address the situation and offer help on how you do it, and basically all the bonuses that come with you, right? Like cash offer, no repairs, no commissions, we can close fast. Then you can also use like scarcity, like, hey, we're only buying 3 to 4 houses this month, so act quick. So instead of just kind of doing that, we can also do broad and the pain based. I recommend just picking one per ad and trying that instead of just using a bunch of different ones. Number three is you need to have a clear call to action where it's like you make it very simple. Like all you need to do is click on the link down below so that we can give you a cash offer. You need to make it very easy for them to know what the next step is. And I'm going to go over some ad examples that we use in order to get a ton of leads. So these are some of my best ads. So as you can see, we always have the hook, the core messaging of the ad, and the call to action. So CTA is call to action. So on this one, I have a pain-based ad where it's like, hey, if you're downsizing and need to sell now, I can pay you cash for it and pay for your fees. Hey, my name is Fidel. I'm a local investor here, and we have bought hundreds of homes, and I want to buy yours next. I don't care if it's messy, if it's smelly, or if you have tenants. I want to give you a cash offer right this second. All you need to do is click on the link down below so we can give you a cash offer today. Something simple like this where we're addressing the pain and who you are and how you do it and all the benefits that come with working with you and what they need to do next. And then also this one worked very well. It's just basically me in my truck. I have a folder and it's like, hey, homeowners, wherever you're from, you can call the audience. Fidel from whatever your company name is. If you want to sell your house, I'm sorry, if you want to sell, but if you want to sell your house, but you don't want to deal with a realtor or deal with commissions or repairs, click on the link down below so that we can help you. So after here, I cut like kind of with the folders, like we actually just walked out of this seller appointment and we're purchasing this property. We're paying for all the fees and closing in the next 4 weeks. So if this sounds like something that you may be interested in, click on the link down below so that my team can help you and call you. And I look forward to hearing from you and seeing how we can help. Something simple like that, where it's not like a TV commercial or anything, just straight to the point, how you do it and what do you have to offer. And then this one, since it worked very well, I did a new variation. I was wearing a cowboy hat. I'm in Texas. So visuals can also be hooks. So on this one, I'm wearing a hat and it's like, hey, homeowners, if you want to sell, if you want to sell your house, but you don't want to deal with the realtor or deal with the commissions or the repairs, my name is Fidel and I want to buy your property. All you need to do is click on the link down below. My team is going to call you and give you that offer. If you like it, we can buy it. If you don't, no problem. But just click on the link down below so that we can help you today. It's another example, broad to the point, and it's short and it works. And then I have this other one that's more broad where it's like, hey, I can buy your property in any condition and at any price. Plus, I can do it all in the next 30 days. Hi, my name is Fidel, and I'm looking to purchase a property in wherever you're at as soon as possible. Not only is my process hassle free, but we can even help you cover your next month's mortgage or any moving expense, and you can leave behind anything that you don't need and we'll handle it. We buy homes as is, which means that you have to do no repairs, there's no commissions, cleaning, or fees. And if this sounds like something that you may be interested in, click on the link down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So these are some great examples that you can just copy and use. And if you just kind of need more help implementing, book a call down below to see if we can implement this into your own business. That way you're not, just guessing. Um, so what if people say that they're not good on camera or they're camera shy? Well, you can hire actors. So this is an example of some they call UGC actors, user generated content, where you hire them and they can record on your behalf. And I actually made this SOP for you so that you can just basically copy it, and instructions are for them, right? So the SOP: hiring actors for Facebook ads in 4:5 ratio. So basically, what you need to do is you need to lock in what the specs so that the applicants know exactly what you want. You can also use like a family friend or whatever. Usually females work better than men, but you kind of need to give them the description. Hey, what's the length? 30, 45 seconds, vertical in 4:5 aspect ratio for Facebook ads. Tone, which is warm, trustworthy, and clear, like you're offering a real solution to a neighbor. Delivery, talk directly to the camera, where you're casual and confident. The environment, something that's neutral, like your office, your home, or maybe out in nature. Clothing, something casual slash professional. Script style, bullet points, not robotic. So you want them to cover the main pain points, but you don't want it to sound like an ad, like I was saying. And then, the deliverable, you can ask them for a couple hooks, couple core offers, and a couple CTAs, and you can have different variation. So where do you find these people? You can basically you can go on Facebook and look for UGC groups. And this is the short example. Like, hey, we're looking 1 to 2 creators to film a short selfie style UGC videos for a real estate ad campaign. And then you tell them, okay, the length, ratio, all the stuff that I just mentioned. And then just have them like, hey, email me your portfolio here or put it here. That way I can take a look. And then this is some good groups where I found some great actors. And then basically when they respond, you ask them for the portfolio, you ask where they're from and what language they speak, because you want them to speak English. And then you kind of tell them about the details of the ad, right? And then basically you can give them some examples and they can just like copy it, but you gotta give them a deadline for delivery, the payment amount and method, and a sample video for reference. And then just confirm everything that they are doing and make sure that the sound, the lighting, and the tone and clothing works. But I'll share with you a couple of scripts that we have used that work very well. So something like this, like, hey, neighborly help. Are you thinking about selling your home, but you don't want to deal with agents, showings, or cleaning it up? My name is whatever the actor's name is, and I buy houses directly from owners just like you in any condition, and we can close in as little as 2 to 3 weeks. We even help you with moving expenses or cover your next month's mortgage if needed. There's no fees, commissions, and no pressure. You can leave behind anything you don't need, and we'll handle the rest. If you want a fair cash offer, click on the link down below, fill the form, and we will reach out to you today. And then we can also do something like, hey, no middleman, no one realtor, showings, cost of repairs, whatever it is. You kind of get the idea. But if you are camera shy, you can utilize this to your advantage, but you just got to be sure that you give them a good script. And we've been using this for a long time and we still get a ton of leads that way. Now, what about image slash static image ads? Well, this type of ads, I'm sure you have seen them, but basically this still work. We just got to use homes that look similar to yours, right? Where this one is like, hey, you have a house similar to this, we can buy it. You don't have to do any repairs. And then also you can call out the audience in the ad and then do something like, hey, get your no pressure cash offer as is, no repairs, fast and fair, local trusted buyers. And then you can do the traditional broad approach, like, hey, local cash buyer looking to buy 2 more homes this month. And then this one is an example of a pain-based static ad, So, struggling financially, we can help you, whether it's foreclosure, probate, you're downsizing, if it's inheritance or divorce, something where you call out the pain, and you got to be sure that your ad copy and headline match your ad. So, the key takeaways in order to have a successful Facebook campaign is you need to stop blaming the platform. You need to blame your ad. You need to think of this as a marketer, not just an investor. And you got to put yourself in the seller's shoes to see what they would like to see and what the pain point is. So, if you use your face, your voice, and your tone, you're going to get better results than if you outsource this to someone else. And I recommend splitting the ads into broad plus pain based approaches, like we went over, and then do a mix between videos and static images for maximum reach. And like I said, keep it casual and keep it real. So if you do all these things, I know that you will get results. So there you have it. You have seen our winning ad copies and structures, and now you know why it works better than the competition. And you can basically take everything that I just showed you and apply it. But let's be honest, only a handful of you will be able to apply it because it's not as simple as it sounds. It takes months before you finally optimize the campaign where you start getting results. So what I see a lot is most wholesalers struggle because they don't know how to target the right sellers. Two, they don't know how to make winning ads or ad copies that are engaging and convert those leads into deals. Or number three is they don't have a good follow-up slash sales process in order to convert those leads into profit. So this is why we help wholesalers scale by implementing our marketing system plus our sales process in order to make more money. So if you want to see how we can implement this into your business and build you a custom plan, click on the link down below so that we can have a call and then go over all the details. And with that being said, watch this video next, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.